We've had a great first 2 days of the DevOps Enterprise Summit. Get ready for a great final day as well. I just wanted to check in with you. How are you feeling? Well, you might be totally fired up about all the things you've learned. You might be feeling like you've finally found the place where you belong, your community. You might be thinking about all the things you've learned and the people you've talked to and wondering what you're going to do with it all. You might finally be realizing that the struggle is real. You might also have a sense of resolve, a sense that you can do it, you can make a difference. And if you've been staring at a screen for the last 2 days or 2 years, you might be zonked. Your tank might just be completely empty. If you're like me, you might be feeling all these things all at the same time. That's okay. Plug in, fuel up, get ready for a great day 3 of the DevOps Enterprise Summit. We want to hear your stories. We want to hear what you've learned, the people you've met, the ideas you want to try out, and the actions you'll take when you get back to work. Please share those with us in the Summit Stories channel in Slack. Please, 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 that's 3 pleases, get that session feedback in. The feedback is so valuable to us, the speakers, and the programming committee. Feedback is a gift, and sharing is caring. Thanks to IT Revolution for bringing us this fantastic DevOps Enterprise Summit event and getting this amazing community together. A huge thanks to our premier sponsor, LaunchDarkly. A big thank you to all our virtual BFF sponsors. Thanks to our virtual Good Friend sponsors. Thanks to our media sponsor for helping get the word out about the amazing things happening in this community. And thanks to LaunchDarkly for sponsoring the 2022 DevOps Enterprise Journal. If you haven't gotten the journal yet, you owe it to yourself to do that. Thanks to all of our sponsors for being a friend, because we get by with a little help from our friends. Now, it's the final day. Get ready, strap in. It's going to be terrific. Gene, back to you to introduce the final day's first talk.